Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Muslim Bookworm. Today we're going to do an activity taken from the book 365 Science Activities by Usborne Activities. The activity we chose is called foaming fizz. It's very simple, there isn't many ingredients that's required, and it takes about 10-15 minutes, and it's a sure lot of fun with your children. Okay, so you're going to need yourself a tray and some food colouring for the different colours of foaming fizz. You're going to need a bottle of white vinegar, some baking soda, and different glass containers to put all of the liquid in. Okay, to begin with the experiment, you get your glass containers, put them all out on the tray. Then you will need to half fill them with water, and then on top of that you will add your vinegar. I'd say about a quarter of the container. Then add your food colourings, any colour is fine, and you might want to mix it, but it's fine, it normally dissolves itself. Also, you will need to add your washing up liquid, and maybe I would say again mix it to make sure it dissolves. Okay, this is the best bit. You get your baking soda simultaneously, you pour it in, and amazingly the foam fizzes and decorates your tray. As you can see, there's two containers that haven't fizzed, so we had to mix it, and eventually they also fizzed and foamed. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the experiment, and hope you tune in next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.